Hi guys, welcome to another video by Analytics, and this week we are back with our crazy analysis. So last week, as we predicted, that the market was quite range bound between 420 and 370 levels, and it gave a false breakout at 420 levels, and then it came back from 480 down, crashing back to the levels of 370. So personally feeling, we believe that the market's going to go down south, but towards 320 and close to 260 could be a good range, and anything above that or below that would be a bad call. So yeah, we right now feel that a correction is coming in the market and it might consolidate for some time. 320 is a very crucial level, and if it breaks 320, then 260. But again, we feel that 320 should behave like a very strong support for ETH. So S&P 500 is correcting finally. The tech stocks are back down, thanks to Masayoshi Son, the owner of SoftBank, who has been buying so many tech stocks, appreciating a lot in value, etc., etc., etc. Bang, he's out of the market. He's not continuing the rally, so the techs have started to decline a little bit. But yeah, I mean, S&P 500 is back to its support levels. It'll be interesting to see from here where it goes. So this week's analysis. Oops, sorry guys. I apologize for the oops. Okay, yep, sorry. So our forecast this week is that we expect Bitcoin to go towards 9,000 levels, and we expect it to go towards 9,000 and 10,000 levels, and we expect it to consolidate between those levels. Apart from that, we feel that the data across all the exchanges that we've collected, like Bitmex, derivative exchanges, it showcased that 79% of all the open interest is towards the shorts. And the stock market has seen a significant correction with all the major indices in place and last two trading sessions. So we might see a correction coming in the stock market, which might reflect in the crypto market as well. It'll be interesting to see what happens next week. The dollar index, guys, has started bouncing back up, and it is now, basically bounced back from its multi-year support, so it's always positive. And ECB has come out and said that it's just that the euro is overpriced, which has basically made dollar quite undervalued, and dollar has been appreciating. That's always bad for cryptocurrency. So if the dollar index is going up, I mean, the cryptocurrency always move the opposite direction to it because they're deflationary assets. The bears are here. Bitcoin broke its 3-month support level at 10,500. We expected to go to 9,000 because of that. Because for the past 3 months, it was above 10,500. Now it's back down, and it's broken with quite good surety, and we expect it to be near 9,000 range. The other cause for the plunge that really happened was the US dollar index. It's rebound back, and it had its best rally since the last 6 months. So people are expecting a correction in the Bitcoin, dollar becoming more valuable. The other reason for the plunge can also be said is because of miners. So the miners were earning $800,000 an hour on ETH and BTC, on the BTC network combined. And what these exchanges believe, that miners keep on sending their earnings to a wallet, and once they go to the exchange wallet, and they just believe that the miners have cashed out of this. They were earning about 800,000 a month, which is at their 35-month record high. And that basically caused the kind of a correction, and that's what happened on 3rd September when there was a huge dive in the market. The global market, are seeing, kind of a correction. S&P 500 is corrected from after breaking its all-time high. It's come back to its support level. So that is also saying, investors are taking out their risky investments, Bitcoin being the top. Yeah, so this is the S&P 500. So what does the data say? So we actually believe a lot in data these all the time. So the data, as I said, Bitmex, we got data from Bitmex. So 79% of the people are towards the shorts, and 21% of the people are towards the long, which is quite not that good. The fear and greed index, this is quite good in cryptos to have it. The fear and greed index basically indicate that 41% fear. That basically mean that people are in the fear zone. So when they're in the fear zone, they're going to a sell, and which is not very good. Before all of this happened, people were in the greed zone, and it just plunged down. So the minimum turnaround time, from greed to fear, that's when we actually see the market going up, is about 4 months. So what people are expecting that for the next 4 months, as the market's fallen down, it might or just consolidate for some time. That's why we believe that 9,000 levels are very crucial for Bitcoin, because if it consolidates between 9,000 and 10,000, it's going to give a rally up north and break its 13,000 level, the 2-year level, which it's having impossible times to break out. So that was all about the other coins. Now TRX has been our altcoin for the month of August, and it has been one of the best performing assets. It was up about close to 150%. Recent times, it went to 0.05. As our predicted price, we told the entry price was 0.023. So it went up a lot, and now it's back to 0.031. It's still up like 70%. So it has been our favorite altcoin. So we are still bullish on Tron. Buy Tron. It's gonna take a lot of DeFi traffic, but buy Tron.